First, we open the software. This is a range of our marking content. Click this function to draw text. Check this option to enable variable text. Click Add. We see that this can be used as variables. Select File. There are two kinds of files to choose from. We choose Excel file. Select the path of the file. Select a file with the suffix XLS. You can manually select the line number and increment. Select a field name in the table. Copy fields from several tables. Select the one you want to modify. Double-click the path of this file to modify it. Select the field you want. Click OK and you will find that the original field has been modified. And so on. Now all the fields are drawn in the software. We all choose. Click the Mark key. We found that the order of the field follower table changed.